Buongiorno and welcome to Bologna. After a 4.5-hour bus drive, I have arrived and I am starving. All right, let's see where I can get some food around here. Wow, it's actually surprisingly harder than I thought. Check out this little ruin here. I don't know what it was, but that's the bus station over there where I came from. There's some alarms going off in the background, helicopter. The city is super busy, super noisy. Got a kebab store, and that's exactly what we don't want, is to eat kebab in Bologna. That would be blasphemous. So mission number 1 is completed. So there we have another one of those towers here, like I was telling you about, that were once built all over the city, and they love their Vespers here in Italy. So here's another one of those towers. This one is not leaning. I wonder how long he would last. Check out this little alleyway here and this old gate. Wow, I don't want to mess with it. People staring at me. Oh, this is a church. Is it a church? Let's see. I'm probably gonna have to keep it down in here. I'm guessing this is a church. Exactly. Take a look at this. Let's give this a little pray. So what you have to do is you have to get down on your knees on this wooden plank here. You don't sit. So that guy looks like he's having a nap there. So, all for the thumbnail. I'm not religious. Luogo dato agli spettacoli diurni. My Latin is not that good. Here we got the good old Garibaldi on his horse. Like everywhere else in Italy, they have... Shut up, will you? They have the Garibaldi statue. So I'm getting hella funny looks here from people because they've never seen a blondie before. Here we have a McDonald's, a good old American Macchiris. Here we have this market. Can I try it on? È possibile? Io faccio un video di Bologna. Ah, troppo piccola per me. Forse.
La capoccia grossa, testa grande.
Instagram. This one is made out of cotton. What do you think? Let's try it on for the man here.
Fatta a mano.
Bene? Buono?
Bene, buono.
But questo è una bella. Come si chiama in italiano?
Rosario.
Rosario. Oh, in inglese, rosary. Rosary.
It's not very different.
Ah, you speak English? Oh, okay. All right.
Alright.
Have a good one.
Questo è quello che si vede al buio, no? Quello fosforescente, come si dice? Vedi?
Ah, glow in the dark. All right. Bye bye. Scusi, come si chiama questo parco?
Parco della Montagnola.
Della Montagnola. Ok, grazie mille. So, as you heard it, the Parco della Montagnola, whatever that guy just said. All right, let's check out the park now. Got some dodgy characters checking me out there from the corners of the streets. Sounds like he just said fanculo to me. And this is your store?
This one is a Carolina Reaper, the hottest in the world. And,
Do you have any drinks?
Yes.
You have drinks?
No.
No? I would try it, but you don't have any drinks, so I'm afraid.
If you want, you can try the salt, a little bit of salt, 1 little grain of salt with the chill inside.
Grande questo posto dove
Okay.
passare.
Am I gonna die?
No.
You don't have any water or anything?
Ma i cancarineddu calabresi ce li hai? Ma io dopo passo,
Passa.
So
Sono
this is
appassionato
the
di queste cose qua.
hottest chili in the world, the Carolina
Yes,
Reaper.
Carolina Reaper. And this one is the salt with the Carolina Reaper inside. You try.
Okay, I'm scared.
1 little.
One little thing. Let's see how this goes. Okay.
Molto carini. With only 30.
Whoa.
It's a special for meat, barbecue or tomato sauce.
Do you think I can eat this whole thing?
No.
You finish, huh?
No.
No, but I mean,
Yes, no.
I think you probably faint. Huh?
I know only one man. The name is Giancarlo Gasparotto, Jack Pepper.
Just
He is the world Guinness Book man.
and he ate this.
Eat 10, 20 Carolina Reaper
What?
soup in 2 minutes.
Even this little grain of salt. Io faccio una video.
Sì, ho visto.
This little grain of salt is super hot. I don't know if you can see my face is probably really red.
Yes.
Whew. Okay, if you had Coke, I would try something, but I'm too afraid to try something tomorrow. Oh wow! Check out this lovebird gate. Oh no way! Here is the canal. That is a nice little surprise. I didn't expect that. Wow. So one thing about Bologna is that they used to have canals running through the city for different types of transportation, for transporting the wheat and grains. And that's so crazy that I just stumbled upon this. Check out this Madonna and this church. Wow. Let's see if I can take a look inside real quick. Wow, they're playing the whatever you call it, the organ. They're playing the organ. check out this guy. I'm gonna get him on camera. He's playing the banjo. All this walking and trekking up 498 stairs has really got my appetite going. So I want to show you this little street that I stumbled upon earlier, and now I really want to get something to eat from here. So let's first do a little tour of what they have here, and then we'll sit down and eat some hopefully traditional Bolognese food. So they got different hams over there, cheeses everywhere. Check out all those cheeses. Bologna is famous for their parmesan, the Parmigiano Reggiano, like we have over here. The old famous Parmigiano Reggiano for 22 euros a block. And over here, this one is 12 euros, and this one 19. Interesting. We have some black tortelloni, all different types of homemade pastas. Just take a look in this shop real quick. Oh, the smell is very, very strong in here. Check out all these hams. Real Parmesan. I wish I could take a block home, but the thing is, it would probably melt. We have a little fruit stall over here. It's a man selling fruit. Tagliatella.
Tagliatella, like spaghetti.
Yes, yeah, with ragu.
Okay.
Okay, that's it.
Tagliatella e tortellini. Okay. And drinks?
Or just the tagliatelle with ragu. That's it. No tortellini.
Ah, okay. Only
Okay.
tagliatella.
And drinks, a big Coke with ice, please.
Coke?
Coke, yeah. You have Coke?
We
Or?
have a bottle.
Yeah, sure. No problem.
Sit outside, inside?
Outside.
Okay.
Okay. Perfect. Thank you. Here we go. Thank you. Grazie. So here is the tagliatelle ragu. Wow. Try not to be too uncivilized here. Kurt the barbarian amongst all the civilized Italians here with their fine dining etiquette.